serverless computing, and EKS is a container like Docker, Kubernetes. Storage. S3 is an object storage, scalable, EBS, persistent block storage for EC2, and FS network for system networking. VPC, isolated network in the cloud, root 53 DNS circuit, and elastic load balancer EBAL8 is an distributed traffic across server. Database RDS managed SQL database. DynamoDB managed SQL database, and Aurora High Performance MySQL PostgreSQL compatible database. Security and identity. IAM stands for Identity and Access Management, manage user roles and permission. KMS Key Management Service, manage encryption keys and security group. Firewall for EC2/VPC. So let's have a look at AWS Availability Zone or ACS. In this part, I have what are availability zone and structure. What are availability zone ACS and availability zone or AC is one or more data center within an AWS regions. Each AC has independent power, cooling, and networking, but is connected to other AC in the same region with low latency, high-speed link. Using multiple ACS give high availability and fault tolerance. Structure. Let's have a look structure. Region. A geographical area like US is one. That means North Virginia. AC subset of region like US is 1A, US is 1B, and US is 1C. Every AWS region has at least 2 ACS. Most have 3 ACS, and some have up to 6 ACS. For example, region US is 1 North Virginia. ACS US is 1A, US is 1B, US is 1C, US is 1D, US is 1E, and US is 1F. Regions AP Southeast 1 Singapore. For AC, AP Southeast 1A, AP Southeast 1B, and AP Southeast 1C. Why ACS are important? At the first reason is high availability, deploy workload across multiple AC. So if one fails, others keep running. Disaster recovery, protect against data center outage. Scalability, discontinue resources across ACS. Load balancing, use elastic load balancer to spread traffic across ACS. Now let's have a look. IAM stands for Identity and Access Management. In this part, you will learn what is IAM, key components, what is JSON, type of policy, feature of IAM, and example use case. So let's get started. What is IAM? IAM stands for Identity and Access Management. It's a service in AWS that controls access to AWS resources securely. It lets you manage user group and rules, grant permission to access AWS service, apply security policies to control who can do what. Key component user individual activity that that represent people or application. For example, Alice is developer, Bob is system